Hello friends and welcome back to the TechLegend channel. So friends, today I will talk about COLORFIRE B650M-MEOW Wi-Fi motherboard. So friend, Colorful Technology has announced a COLORFIRE B650M-MEOW Wi-Fi motherboard designed to support AMD Ryzen 9000 series processor and the motherboard feature a new MEOW UI BIOS which is unique. The MEOW series, the MEOW UI BIOS has been redesigned to improve user experience and ease of navigation by reducing the number of menu layers from 3 to 2, and the BIOS interface become more user-friendly, allowing user to adjust system setting more easily, and additionally related settings are now grouped together in single memes, reducing the need to switch between multiple pages and making the configuration process more straightforward. And this improvement help user access important BIOS setting more quickly and enhancing the overall system setup process. And the motherboard also include built-in Wi-Fi, providing reliable wireless connectivity essential for modern connectivity, and the motherboard support various connectivity standard and offer multiple I/O port to connect a range of peripheral devices. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.